Alright guys, day number 25. I don't know if you can tell by the Mickey Mouse looking stain on my shirt, but yeah, it was pretty hot today. I woke up incredibly sore. I don't know if you remember yesterday, but I took some pretty bad slams on my hip, landed on my knees, so hurting as usual, but we had the day off, so I went and visited my dad. Haven't really had much time to do anything, so went to see him, hung out, got home, and I had to go through my footage to try to delete some clips because every single day, iPhone storage full. No matter how much I try to delete, iPhone storage full. So, did that quickly, I mean for like 15 minutes. Then I hit the skate park. It was fun, there was a bunch of friends there, so warmed up, hung out. It got me psyched, you know, whenever there's people there, just, you're a little more psyched up. After that, started kicking around some tricks. Ended up trying the switch flip frontside nose grind, nose pick, for about 45 minutes. And then, iPhone storage full. Anyway, deleted some clips. I have to like delete clips from yesterday, the day before, just because when you're trying a trick, you're not really like, when you're that intense, you can't really stop and be like, oh, okay, I'll just browse through this half-hour long footage and maybe find something I'm gonna keep. So, kind of just don't have the time. So we're just deleting clips, moving forward. Yeah, kept trying. A lot of switch flips. Ended up ripping through my shoe. Foot was bleeding. I bring extra socks all the time to the skate park. Put those on, ripped through those. And then after a while, I was just so beat up. That was like an hour or two of trying. Just getting so tired. Like I could feel it in my body and my tries. From falling on my hip. Kind of makes that switch flip flick a little weaker. So, kind of just took a break. Had some water. This kid actually ran up. Try to learn how to drop in, so that's always fun. And then, iPhone storage full. Delete some more clips. I actually had to delete clips from today just because it was getting too difficult to try to, you know, go back and figure out what to delete. Anyway, I ended up trying, getting really close. Very next try, landed one, but my toe dragged. Tried for like 6 hours at this trick. I couldn't just keep that one, you know, it just wouldn't feel good. Phone was dying at this point. 3%. I think my my portable charger was dead. And then my friend Eddie showed up and he started trying blunt big spin out. And that just started getting me psyched up again. Got like a second wind. And yeah, a few tries later, ended up finally getting one.
Wow.
Taking it. It's like 3-session long battle for this trick. So I run over to my phone. It's on 1% battery. So that's 2 days in a row we got our trick on 1% battery exactly. But yeah, so my phone died. Eddie actually ended up getting his trick. So, it's a fun day. Fun day for day 25. I should probably shower now though, so I'll see you guys tomorrow, day 26.